Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously. Hello everyone and welcome to MHCTechTalks. In today's video, we are going to revisit a phone called as Lenovo K8 Note. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, Lenovo K8 Note was launched roughly around 6 to 7 months before, and at that time it was quite promising, had a lot of great specs on paper, and the pricing was quite competitive. So it was a great combination, and the pricing and specifications matched well, and the phone did good as far as the sales are concerned. So we'll be revisiting the phone and we'll be looking at the things, how things went for this phone. And I have been using this phone for around past 6 months as my primary phone, and I'll give my views, like what all things I felt for this phone. So basically all the features this phone has provided has been good so far. I mean, the camera is good, music quality is good, performance wise the phone is good at a given price range. So and the one more good thing about this phone is Lenovo is timely pushing up updates in this one. So regular security patches were there, and couple of months back we also received Oreo update for this phone. So this is something great, because a lot of other Lenovo phones as well as Motorola phones are lined up in the series, but then they haven't received the update. So this is something good as far as the Lenovo K8 Note is concerned. And I was talking about the Oreo update which was rolled out a couple of months back. So after the Oreo update, there were few issues which got introduced in the phone, but let us talk about first the things which were improved. The points which were improved was the performance was improved, the RAM optimization was improved, I must say, to be precise, and a few of the glitches which were there in the earlier Android versions got removed, and also all the stock Android Oreo features, like the if you long tap the app you get to know the information, and all those stuffs got activated due to the updation of Android 8. So this was something good, but the major concern for the Lenovo K8 Note users was about the battery and heating. You might have heard, all the Lenovo K8 Note users might have heard that the phone was heating a lot due to the Android 8 update, and the battery backup was not that good as it used to be. So these were the two issues which most of the Lenovo K8 Note users faced after the Oreo update. Then there were a few other glitches, like phone used to hang a bit quite often. Moreover, camera was not that stable, and the quality of images got degraded after the update. So recently again on 1st June, Lenovo has again rolled up done a minor update which would fix all the glitches. Moreover, the security patch is for the month of May, so that is something good, because we are in June 2018 and this phone has got security patch of around May 5th May 2018. So this is something good as far as the security patch is concerned. So recently around June 1, Lenovo had again pushed in an update. This one is a minor update. It has fixed all the glitches and issues which were there after the Oreo update. So the major key highlights of this updates are the camera improvement, battery improvement, heating issues improvement, and some other optimizations, performance optimization. So this is something good, and also the security patch is of the month May and we are in June, so this is something great from Lenovo. So I have already downloaded the new update. I'll just install it and will be back after the installation and would give you the review about how it turns after the update. That's the latest. If I click on system update, so it says that your device is up to date, so this is something good. and this update will mainly improve the performance of the phone. Moreover, it has resolved the battery issues and heating issues, so I would recommend all the Lenovo K8 Note users to upgrade their phone to the latest software update. And apart from that, I did feel a performance improvement in the touch also, so this is also something great from Lenovo. So I'll just use it for few days more and I'll let you know about the update and the review about the update. So hope you guys like this small video, and don't forget us to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and on Instagram. We'll have great content over there too. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in next one.